drumming on the beat. Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. And hey, do me a favor while you're at it. Like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff. I am like within 30 of getting fully monetized. And I sure appreciate it. Just push me over the edge. Just help me out before I go over the edge trying to get these last few. But anyhow, this is November's. I know it's December when you see this, but I filmed it at the end of November, and I was doing Temu, and I got on a roll, and yes, I have no makeup on because I haven't felt good since I come back from my mom's, and I'm just now getting back up and around. I'm trying to catch up and get a little bit ahead so I can get other stuff caught up. You know, lights, camera, action, Christmas. Anyhow, you open it up and it looks like this. It's got all these biodegradable peanuts that you get all over your house. And I have a bag down here. And I usually take those out, but I really wasn't going to film this one today. I was going to do it like tomorrow or the next day. And I thought, you know what? You're up and doing this. You might want to get this done. So anyhow, this is when you take those out, this is what it looks like. Now, if you don't know about Eyescream Beauty box, it's one of the best makeup boxes out there, in my opinion. And it's $25 a month, and that's delivered. You get 5 to 7 full-size items, and they also have a bag, and I think it's $12.50, and then like $3 shipping, so it ends up being like $15. And with that, you get 3 full-size items, 3 to 5 full-size items, and then also you're guaranteed a pallet with every bag and box. So it's a good deal. So I'm going to try to do this. Now, usually this is completely makeup, but I'm noticing this month that's not the case, which is kind of odd, but we don't care. As long as they don't go completely skincare, a little skincare is fine. I got a bad curl going nasty there. Yeah, and that's this one. It's called Marabellum Serum. That's just what it says. And it says face serum and serum visage. That's all it says. Oh, replenish and restore multi-peptide serum. That's what it says. Had to look on the bottom. I don't know why they would put it on the bottom, but they did. No, that's the top. No, that's the bottom. What's the serum on top? Oh, same thing, just in a different color. I was like, that's why I have myself confused. We'll open her up. Did I show you the box? I think I did, but... And this is the bottle. It's a hefty bottle. Let's see. This is $28 value. Yeah, $28 value. And it's a good size bottle. I'm looking to see if it says it's got peptides. That's all I see. I don't know if it's supposed to look like that, but it does. It goes on your skin clear. It goes on your skin clear. And you just, it's nice and light. Some of that stuff is so heavy, it just feels like it's just cake on your face. But yeah, there's that. $28. So right there, paid for your box. What's that the Rock used to say? Can you dig what I'm putting down? And then this is deluxe cheek blusher. Let's see if it has a color on it. I don't know if it does. No, I don't think it does. Nope. Just says cheek blusher. That's what it looks like. Let's see if I can open it now. Doesn't look like it. You know, there, I got it. That took an effort. Jeez. Now I can't get it out. Hi. So how you been? I'm just tearing it. I'm just tearing it. You know, I'm hoping it's a color I can use because I really don't want to give it without the packaging, but I had to totally destroy that to get that out of there. So, and here's what it looks like on the inside. And then you flip it. There's your color. Which, if it does, this color, if it doesn't work for me, it will work for my mother. She likes the orange tones. But yeah, they don't really work with my skin tones. But that's okay. She'll get that. I'll make sure to put it in Mom's box. I gave her their advent calendars at Thanksgiving. And that blush was, let's see, $10. Yeah, I gave them their advent calendars at Thanksgiving, and my sister went home, and the next day Mom says, how many of those did you open? I haven't asked her yet, but I can. This is what my sister will do. She'll go through every drawer, and she'll open it, see what's in there, and put it back in there. And then she'll go back through and take it out the day it's intended. That's what she'll do. And I can't wait to tease her about it, because I know she did. She used to pay me to tell her what her Christmas presents were. And I'd sneak and open it and then put it back together. This is Ziza, and this is an eyeliner. And it's colored eyeliner. And it's got a plastic seal over it, so we like that. Let's see. Yeah. Now, I don't know if it's everybody got the same on this or not, but that's what the box looks like. Goodness. And this is what it looks like inside. Very nice packaging. Oh. Hold on. I got it. I had this little safety seal on it. I didn't know. Whoa. Damn, gosh. Okay, let's see. And I got brown, so they aren't all the same because somebody else got red. Yeah. It's got like a little tint of purple in it, too. Those might be good for Halloween things. I'll stick this right there. And this was, let's see if I can see it. This was $10. Yeah, I did tell you that already. And this is a multi-pigment, multi-chrome pigment. It's like this. And just unscrew this. Now, sometimes you're opening these and they go flying. So I'm trying to be very careful because I think I already got this stuff all over my house from decorating with Christmas with it. This is what it looks like open. Let's see if I can do this. Now this is what it looks like on your finger. I mean, you're never going to catch as much shimmer on the camera. Let me take these off. You're never going to catch as much shimmer on the camera as is actually on there. But it's really pretty. It's really, really pretty. I got a wreath I'm working on. I just might stick that on there. You can do that. All you got to do is put any kind of glue. And then when it's tacky, then put this on. Don't let it dry completely. And put this on. But you don't want it really wet because it'll just wash it away. But anyway, there's that. Let's see how much that was. And I like those in my resin too. Those things are really cool in resin. Oh, that eyeliner is supposed to be cherry red. It looks brown to me, but you be the judge. No, it looks brown to me. But I'm partially colorblind, so that could be part of the problem. But that loose pigment was only $8, which is a good price. And then lastly, we have our palette, and it's valued at $60, and it's Thanksgiving palettes by Saints, Angels, and Sinners Cosmetics. And you always get this. I don't know if I told you that, but you always get one of these. And, you know, this is, you get a palette every month. And sometimes they have a wide array, and this is what it looks like. Kind of looks like Easter, doesn't it? Yeah, it looks like Easter. It really doesn't look like Friendsgiving. It doesn't look like Friendsgiving. It looks like Easter. But that's okay, because and these are the colors. And you have a mirror on this one, by the way, because I'm going to flip it back. So you do have a mirror on it. Some people that matters, some people it doesn't. Me, personally, one this size, I'm not going to throw it in my purse anyway. So, I love these purples. I really do. Let's see what happens. We take this one. Then we take this one. And then we put this one over both of them. Look at that. Look at that. But anyhow, enough playing, Deb. I'll do a couple swatches so you can see the pigments. These are ones I just swatched for you. Those are the 3 purples. Yeah, I just wiped that on. You're right, I just wiped that on there. And then here's matte brown, matte dark brown. We can do this one. And it's a copper. Ooh, this one's interesting. That one's really pretty. And see this black. You can use that to use, and then use, let's see, this one on top of it, and it'll really bring it out more. See how it does? So yeah, you usually just use it for a base, so it brings out the shine more. See, look at that, isn't it cool? But yeah, I gotta say, I'm pleasantly pleased again, as usual. And these don't go to waste. With all the girls we got going around here, between Char and my granddaughters and everything else around here, these do not go to waste. So anyway, that's our Eyescream Beauty for November 2023. As usual, pleasantly pleased. I've never been dissatisfied. As always, and I will put the figures up on there because I can't see to do them on here right now. My eyes are just too bad right now. But, so, come on back, like, subscribe, and do all the YouTube stuff. Bye.